Hi guys, this is me, Rachel again. Today we're going to open Ariel and Tianna Funko Pop. Now let's start opening Ariel. Let's get to the surprises. Ariel! She's so adorable. How sweet. How I love her. How I love her. Aww. Now let's start opening tickets. Aw, look. How adorable she is. Aw, look. Look at her.
There you go, the next one.
Mr. Funko! Now let's start opening and get to the surprise. Ooh. Come on, let's open. 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 I don't know which way. I have to use my super strength. Tianna. Look at her. She has a bigger dress than Ariel. Now let's get the frog out. Her head is more movable than Ariel. And look her little tail, and look her brown face, and look at the jungle, and look at all the designs on her. Put her next to Ariel. Now let's open the frog. Come out, frog. Come out. He's out. Look at him looking so adorable out at the box. Look. Oh, look. Look at Tianna and the frog. Tianna's pet. Bye-bye, kids. I'll see you next time, and this time, and tomorrow I'll open, Jasmine. Bye-bye.